everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today we are on advent number 7. No, slap my hand, we're on number 10 guys. Where did number 7 come from? Oh dear, Rick must have put something in my coffee. Sorry guys, it is advent number 7 for the Masquerade advent calendar by Reggie J Hook Crochet. So yesterday was number 9. So today, surprise surprise, would you believe it's number 10 today? Sorry guys. So we've got a little stocking and we've got a pink, close your eyes V, it's pink. No, it's magenta. No, nice little pink. So what have we got today? Ooh! Ooh! Would you like to see? Would you like to see what we've got? Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo! Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So, I showed you yesterday's. Oh wow guys, look at that. So this is the 9th and this is the 10th, so I'm presume, oh look at that guys. Oh, I can't wait to get on with this knitting, and I've still got these to cake up. Well, they're not getting caked up, they're getting rolled into little balls, but oh my word. Wow. So guys, we've got some really nice colours to be working with, and I'm on 4, so I've still got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 to do, but I've nearly finished the shawl that I've had in my garage, so to speak, my crochet garage, shall I say. I parked it. But yeah, I love this. Oh, really nice, and they're going to look beautiful all because what I plan to do is just do it, you know, kind of, as you can see here, I've done 5 because it was the start, then I've done 3 and now I've done 2, and what I plan to do from now on is to, as far as the yarn will let me, is to 2 sections for each. Or I might do it 1. I think I might do 1 section of each so I can get all of them in. What do you think? I think I might do that. Do 1, there's 16 rows to the pattern, so if I do 16 rows for each colour, that might, yeah. I think I'm going to do that guys. I think I'm going to do that. Yeah. So, but I mean, as you know, this is parked for now. So, yeah, once again, day 7. No, not day 7. Where have I got day 7 from? Day 10. Wow, it's day 10 of the advent. Sorry guys, it is day 10. Look, it even says so on the little packet. That's the colour today. Thank you for watching. I just don't know where 7 has come into the equation today, but I'm sure Rick put something in my coffee. So I'm going to love you and leave you. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.